How to go live on Cake. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can go live on Cake. So how do you go live on Cake? It is simple. The first step always is to log in into your Cake account. So once you are logged in, the next step is to move to the bottom part of the screen. At the bottom part of the screen, you can see some icons which include the chat icon and then the live icon. So just go ahead to click on the live icon and you take it to the next page where you can see different channels, different meetings that have been held on this account. All right, you can decide to watch any of them. You can see filter them also by moving to the top part of the screen. Then the next step would be for you to click on go live and then click on continue. So you have to grant Kik the permission to take pictures and record videos. And then after taking the permission, you will then go live and then you can host and carry out whatever you want to do. So this is basically how you can go live on Kik. It is very simple. Just find your way to the live tab and then you are good to go. Thank you for watching and have a good day.